Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how number format works in Excel. First, let me alter the width of the column, otherwise you don't understand various differences. Select the cell, go to Home tab, locate the number group, click the number format drop down menu, select General. General has no specific format. Select number. It displays number with 2 decimal places. Now click the increase decimal button image. Each time 1 decimal place will be increased. If we click the decrease decimal button image, each time 1 decimal place will be decreased. Now select currency. You can see the currency symbol is placed before the number. You can see other countries' currency symbols as well. Click the arrow next to accounting number format button image, and then you can select the currency symbol of the United States, UK, Euro, etc. as per your requirement. If you click on more number formats, you will find many additional formatting options. From here, you can select many more countries' currency symbols. You can specify the decimal places you require. You can set various date format. If we select accounting, the currency symbol will be placed at the left edge of the cell. Next, select sort date. Sort date convert the number into a date. Each whole number represents a specific date. In the most cases, counting starts from 1st January 1900. Okay, I am trying to explain with an example. I am replacing this number with 5. If we count 5 from 1st January, then the date should be 5th January 1900. Let's see how long date works. Select the cell. From the number format drop down list, select long date. It displays the complete spelled out form of the date. Select time. It is showing all zeros because 5 is a positive whole number. Let me add a decimal part. This decimal part will convert into time. It should be changed to 2 hours 24 minutes and 0 seconds. How it comes? We know 1 day equals to 24 hours. 24 hours equal to 1440 minutes. So 0.1 of 1444 should be 2 hours 24 minutes. Percentage format will multiply the number by 100 and show it with a percentage symbol. We can eliminate these decimal numbers. Let's write a fraction. Normally, you cannot write a fractional number in a cell. Select the cell and format it as fraction. Now we can write fractional number in the cell. 9674. Select the cell and apply scientific. E plus 03 represents an exponent of 3. It means 9.67 times 10 to the power 3. Now how to remove these effects? Select cells, and click on number format drop down menu, then select general. You can see that all applied formats has been removed. Select the cell, go to Home tab, locate the number group, click commas button image, comma style added commas as separators. That's all for today. Thank you. For more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.